Hello friends, you would have come across the news like Nifty hits the all-time high, Sensex crashes, Nifty falls by 200 points, Sensex open with a surge of 200 points, and so on. If we ask to someone how are these news related to the stock market, they would say both Nifty and Sensex are stock market indices. So first we look on what is the stock market index. Stock market index. As the stock exchange comprises of several thousands of companies, it is not possible to evaluate each and every stock to understand the market's performance. And so, a certain set of companies representing various sectors are chosen and a group is made. This group is called as index. So, a stock index or a stock market index is a measurement of a section of the stock market. From among the stocks listed on the stock exchange, some stocks are selected and grouped together to form an index. How the value of the index is determined is by the value of the grouped stocks. I think now you understand about the stock market index. Sensex and Nifty are the stock market index of our Indian stock market. Sensex, the full form is sensitive and index. Sensex represents the performance of top 30 companies listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange. The top 30 companies are picked on the basis of free float market capitalization. So the BSE Sensex is a free float market weighted stock market index of 30 well established and financially sound companies listed on Bombay Stock Exchange. The full form of Nifty is the National Stock Exchange 50. Nifty is a market indicator of the National Stock Exchange. It is a collection of top 50 stocks listed in the National Stock Exchange. The Nifty 50 is a benchmark Indian stock market index that represents the weighted average of 50 of the largest Indian companies listed on the National Stock Exchange. There are so many factors that could influence the movement of stocks and in turn the index. For example, when there is an escalation of trade war, or when there is an election result, or when there is an announcement of a change in interest rate or inflation rate, and also the other factors of global markets, crude oil price, rupee and dollar value, all these factors can impact in our Indian stock market. Hope you today learned about the two market indices of our Indian economy. Thanks for watching and kindly do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the regular notification of my videos. See you all in the next video. Thank you.